मयाम्स होटल एंड रिजॉर्ट में मिस यूनिवर्स अरुणाचल प्रदेश का शुभारंभ हुआ, जो अरुणाचल प्रदेश के सौंदर्य प्रतियोगिता क्षेत्र में एक बड़ा विकास है। ऑपरेशन एंड मार्केटिंग के पूर्वोत्तर निर्देशक अमजद खान सहित उल्लेखनीय हस्तियों ने मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया सोफिया सिंह जैसे सम्मानित पेजेंट रॉयल्टी के साथ इस अवसर की शोभा बढ़ाई और मिस ग्रैंड इंटरनेशनल इंडिया 2023 अर्शिना सिंह और अन्य अतिथि उपस्थित थे। कार्यक्रम का मुख्य आकर्षण आधिकारिक क्राउन्स का अनवेलिंग था। मिस यूनिवर्स अरुणाचल प्रदेश के राज्य निर्देशक ताकाम अंजू ने प्रतियोगिता की संरचना के बारे में विस्तार से बताया और 10 जून से शुरू होने वाले 10 जिलों में जिला ऑडिशंस की घोषणा की। जैसे जैसे अरुणाचल प्रदेश इस उज्जवल यात्रा को अपनाता है, प्रतिष्ठित मिस यूनिवर्स ताज की ओर ले जाने वाली एक मनोरम कहानी के सामने आने की प्रत्याशा बढ़ जाती है। मिस यूनिवर्स अरुणाचल के लेटेस्ट डेवलपमेंट के लिए बने रहें।
Welcome to Mayams 359. Tonight we gather here to witness a special occasion, a next level stage in the pageant industry of Arunachal. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the official launching event of Miss Universe Arunachal Pradesh. Welcome to Arunachal Pradesh, sir. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, on stage, Miss Sophia Singh, Miss Asia Pacific India 2024. Dear Madam, the committee requests you to...
I am really looking forward to the girls, the young talent over here in Arunachal Pradesh, and I hope to see you in Delhi for the next Miss Universe, and I wish and I pray to God that the next Miss Universe from India should be from Arunachal Pradesh.
Once again on stage, we have Miss Grand International India 2023, Miss Arshina Sumbul.
So I'm just looking forward to have the Miss Universe competition and see what Arunachal brings to us. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for gracing our event.
क्या तुझे इतनी सी बेखबर कि तेरी सांस चलती जिधर रहूंगा बस वही उम्र भर रहूंगा बस वही उम्र भर.
The winner of Miss Arunachal Pradesh 2024 will get direct entry in Miss Universe India, which is affiliated with the international pageant Miss Universe. This prestige platform has made its way to Arunachal, and I'm dedicated to nurture our contestants to reach their fullest potential. I started my career in my early 20s as an event manager in 2011 with the first edition of Miss Capital. Since then, I never stopped. And it's been 13 years in this industry, and I believe that beauty pageant is just not about glamour and fashion, but it has the power to shape and transform our community. Through this event, we are building a bridge between our neighboring state and exchange and emotions. Tonight, we're not launching Miss Universe Arunachal, but we also launch a journey of hope, determination, hard work, love, oneness.
Thank you, ma'am, for gracing our event. Along with ma'am for gracing our event, she is Mrs. India Glamorous 2000. Sri Lakpa Seringji, along with, thank you so much, sir, Mr. Sabaisen Akash, along with our hospitality assistant. She is the contestant coordinator of Miss Universe Arunachal Pradesh. We have the third last secretary of Miss Universe Arunachal Pradesh 2024.
मैं आप सबको बताना चाहूँगा about the Takam Anju. She is very capable. और मिस अरुणाचल मिस कैपिटल में जिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को चला के आया, एंड आप लोग को भी कल प्राउड फील करेगा कि मिस तकम अंजू को आपने मिस यूनिवर्स अरुणाचल प्रदेश का जो स्टेट डायरेक्टर अपॉइंट किया, वो आप लोग कल को आने वाले दिनों में प्राउड फील करेगा. एंड इट्स आवर प्रिविलेज कि मैं तहे दिल से जो मिस यूनिवर्स कमेटी को मैं तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ ऑल द यूथ्स ऑफ द स्टेट्स. जितना भी जो पेजेंट का वॉल है, तो एवरीवन इज़ वेल अवेयर ऑफ द बट यू नो मिस यूनिवर्स, हर कोई बच्चा जानता है कि मिस यूनिवर्स जो पेजेंट है वो क्या है, उसका इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है. एंड इट्स आवर प्रिविलेज कि आज अरुणाचल में वो जो मिस यूनिवर्स अरुणाचल प्रदेश का आज 2024 का आज का तारीख में जो लॉन्चिंग का इवेंट है, तो मैं ये हमारा अरुणाचली जो स्पेशली जो गर्ल्स जो उसके लिए एक प्रिविलेज का भी बात है.
As our special guest, by Soul. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing our event team. Person, Sri Tanya. The arts, business, politics, in every time out. Miss Universe Arunachal Pradesh. This is Arunachal. Srimati.
आज जो ये प्रोग्राम है, I would really like to appreciate Madam Takam Anju for you being the State Director of Miss Universe Arunachal Pradesh Unit, and this is really such a big achievement. And I would like to congratulate to all of your team also. And being here, I would just wish you all the very best, and I have nothing to suggest in the world of peasant in this industry. You are much more learned, you're much more acquainted, and you know everything that what you ought to do. And this industry is such an industry that you really can present your state, your family, and you can really make Arunachal proud. And I, being president of APSU, I always wish the welfare and well-being of our people, especially I'm always with the youth, and if anybody is in the prospects to prosper in doing hard works and all, in different areas, the area should not only specify to job-oriented, the area should not only specify to your politics career. This also is a very big industry, and whereby I think the time has come now.
A round of applause. Miss Universe India is officially now landed in Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. A round of applause. Beautiful, amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. A beautiful crown unveiled. First runners-up Miss Universe Arunachal Pradesh. The crown of Miss Universe Arunachal Pradesh 2024.
And first of all, I'd like to start by thanking Miss Arunachal Organization, Miss Universe Arunachal Organization, for inviting us here for this promotional event. And I will also like to congratulate Miss Anju Takamji for being appointed as the State Director for Miss Universe Arunachal. So we have formed this collaboration as we have taken a new route, and the new route is by giving franchises to each and every state in India for Miss Universe India. So we will be having competitions all over India in 28 states and 2 union territories. And from each state, we are going to select one contestant who will be competing at Miss Universe India. The winner of Miss Universe India will be competing at the prestigious Miss Universe, which will be held later in November in Mexico. So this collaboration will help the contestants from Arunachal directly, they can apply here in Arunachal, they can compete in the pageant and get selected. Unlike previous years where they had to go to auditions to the major metropolitan city or the closest city from your respective states. So no more, we have brought Miss Universe India to your doorsteps, and I believe this will be an amazing platform for everyone who has a wish somewhere to become a pageant queen. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to the competition, and we will be back here during the finale to pick our winner from Arunachal and take her for the national platform. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. So before that, we would like to share our audition date to the viewers. So the aspiring ladies who want to participate, we have divided 10 journals for district audition. We'll start our district audition by 10th of June till 27th of June. On 10th of June, we will have at Tawang. On 11th of June, we will have at Bomdila. And on 12th of June, we will have at Sepa. On 13th of June, we will have at Sagali. On 14th of June, we will have at Jiro. On 16th of June, we will have at Daborijo. On 18th of June, we will have at Alo. And on 19th of June, we will have at Pasikat. On 20th of June, we will have at Roing. On 21st of June, we will have at Namsai. And on 23rd of June, we will have at our capital, Itanagar. On 25th of June, we will have our mega audition. And on 27th, we will have our grand finale. So for that, I request everyone to get yourself ready for this prestigious competition.
ये Miss Universe जो है, I think people are intrigued about this upcoming pageant. Is I think as we are anticipating is going to be the biggest pageant of Arunachal so far. So Anju ji से मैं जानना चाहूँगी. I think the audience people wants to know कि how is Miss Universe going to be and what expectations are we going to have from this pageant. I think you guys are planning to make it like a pageant which never happened before. And since the winning beauty queen is going to represent India, not only Arunachal Pradesh, but at the national level, so kindly brief us about what is Miss Universe Arunachal Pradesh going to be like.
This year, yes, this pageant is one of the biggest pageant is going to happen in Arunachal Pradesh. That's Miss Universe Arunachal. And yes, I am as a state director, I'm very excited to execute this event this year. And of course, I'm just loving our people that they are so supporting. They are supporting me. They are pressing me like, yes, you are doing great, na? So this year our plan is like we will have our district auditions in 10 zonal. We are not going to cover every district, but we have met some zonals like including 4 or 5 district, 1 zonal, that kind. So this year we'll have our district audition in 10 zonal. After that, we'll have our when we get our top 30. This year we are having top 30. Every time in pageant we have like top 20, top 21, 22. But this year I have made this quantity bit bigger because I just don't want to let some girls like they skip this beauty pageant. That's why I have made this top 30 this year for first edition. So after having our top 30, we'll have some rounds like Miss Fitness, Miss Talent, beautiful costume. This kind of event we'll have, and after that, our grand finale will be happen in 27th July of 2024. And when we get our Miss Universe Arunachal, then she will get direct entry in Miss Universe India, which is affiliated with the international pageant Miss Universe. And that's a very thing for us.
And yeah, that's it for now. Thank you very much, Ms. Anju. And we have very special guests here this evening with us. We have Ms. Sophia Singh, Miss Asia Pacific India 2024. Sophia, we would like to know how has your journey been, and how would you like to inspire or say something to the girls who are aspiring to take part in this competition?
Good evening, and thank you for your question. Every journey is beautiful. Although whatever you have prepared yourself, it is beautiful and pleasant. My journey was very tough, no doubt. The crown in my head right now, it's from my blood, sweat, and so much of struggle, as you can see, which I am sitting over here. I have been working with the pageants and my dream, which has been pursuing since 2016, when I was 18 years old. It was almost 8 to 9 years of journey where I have succeeded myself where I am sitting right now. Also to the young talent, which I have been seeing over here, again and again I will say it in future as well, because the journey is going to be very long. It is not going to be very easy, it is not going to be very difficult also. The girls over here in Arunachal Pradesh, I would like to say that nothing is impossible in this world. If destiny has written something in your life, 101% it will be yours and crown will be yours. If you are doing it, you're well. If you're struggling it well, nobody will snatch it from you. If everything is written, good in destiny, it will happen. So I think that the girls over here should prepare well, smile well, because smile is the biggest crown in this world. I must say that. Okay?
So thank you so much, Sophia. Thank you. And we have Archana Sumbul, who is Miss Grand International India 2023. She's here with us. And I must say that we have never seen a big launch of any pageant like this ever before. We have such beauty queens with such caliber coming and coming in the launch event to motivate the girls who are going to participate here. I think it's already a testimony of a big event that is going to happen. So I would like to know from Arshika Sumbul, you know, when people want to participate in an event like this, they want to be associated with a very genuine, trustworthy, and an organization with integrity. So let us know something about you are with this organization, you have participated, you are born. So what message do you have for the girls who are aspiring to participate? Can this platform be a trustworthy platform? Do you have anything to say for them?
Hello, first of all. So, one thing I can tell you about our organization, which is the Glamanan Supermodel organization, is it is going to be the best organization in the future. I can assure you that the integrity is there, the respect is there, which all the girls deserve. And it is time that Miss Universe is going to be grander than ever. Now we can see we are having more than all the state pageants are happening, and girls are going to represent their respective states as well, which never happened in Miss Universe before. There was only top 20 or top 22 for Miss Universe, but this year we are trying to get more talent. We are trying to give platform to the girls who well deserve to be a part of Miss Universe, an organization like Miss Universe. So integrity is definitely a very, very important part of an organization. And since all the state pageants are also connected to the Glamanand organization, I can assure you that it is going to be well respected. It is going to provide you an opportunity for a lifetime, and all the girls get ready because this is your time to shine. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Well, there is going to be the pageant which is going to happen, Miss Universe and Miss Grand International also. It's not about Miss Universe, there is going to be Miss Grand too. The girls, I would like to say that it's going to be your time. It's finally time that you should showcase your talent, and we are over here, sitting over here to showcase the talent which is been lacking behind since so many years. That's why we are opening this event in Arunachal Pradesh. I know there are so many beautiful and talented girls who didn't get the opportunity to come outside the state. That's why we are here to take those girls out of the box and show their talent and showcase themselves into the biggest platform. Miss Universe is gonna be the biggest thing by which, as she has told you, that Glam Anand is one of the best opportunity to follow up the dreams, and it is one of the prestigious company where I know this company since 10 years, and I know since so many hurdles they have been crossed, and why we made this company to showcase, to promote the girls, to promote the talent, which is gonna be the cause as well, where they can promote the causes which is need to be showcased all over the India. Let all over the India know that there are girls from Arunachal Pradesh as well who can proud our India, and who can make things better in our country as well. Okay,
Thank you very much.
Just before he concludes, one thing initially you had asked Anjumji regarding the expectation which you will have. I think that expectation has already been fulfilled by associating with Miss Universe India. People's expectations was we were not getting enough opportunity to participate at a national competition. So she has fulfilled your expectation. It's your time to fulfill her expectation by participating in numbers, showing up. It's not just Miss Universe India we are doing it. We do many other pageants. We do Miss Grand India. We have various pageants in our teen category. We have Teen International, we have Teen Earth, Teen World, Miss, then Teen Universe. Then we also do Mrs. India, and very soon we will be starting Mr. India as well. So we are catering to each and every one. So hopefully next year when we will be here, we'll not be here just for Miss, but we will also be here for Mrs. and Mr. as well. Thank you so much.